think my box is here. I think my box is here.
Yes, got it.
So you see that box came in. Let me give you the story on what really is going on with that box. Why I'm so happy. So backstory on this welder. Welder was given to me back in, I can't remember, but 23, yeah, back in 23. All right, still in the box, brand new everything. Brought it home and asked 3 different people, all 3 welders, well, 2 are welders, 1 electrician, to help me out and get me an extension cord so I could use it in the driveway and weld. All 3 said, yes, I got you. I said, give me the list of stuff I need to buy. The list never came through. I kept asking. Eventually, we're in 2025. I stopped asking. Then TikTok came up with this Yes Welder thing that does 3 things. And I was like, and it's 110? Say less. I'm going to get it. So I sold the one that I had, which equated to me buying this one. So let me get it. Let's unbox it and see what's in it. Still in the package. Everything. Mind you, I picked this up I sold it one for $150, including the welding cart. That cart had cost me like 80 bucks. Sold everything for $150. But let's see what we have in here. Open this box first. Alright. Welding tips. I'm guessing this little bearing thing is for the wire. Not sure, but once I get in there, we'll see what it's for. Plug to make it 110. Gas line, but I really want it. I think this is for arc. This is your connector. I'm not familiar with the terminology yet. I am determined to learn welding. That's my whole thing. Get back in there. And I'm hoping the wire feed piece is in here. If it's not, it's going right back. Put this aside. Get it out of the box. This is light. I mean, check this one. Oh! So this one's about a good 20-30 pounds lighter than Adam's. And here we have wire feed. You cut the zip tie. I am so determined to learn welding. I already have a used welding table. And here it is. YWN 160. Yes, Welder that everybody goes crazy over on TikTok. Gonna open it up. They didn't send me any wire, which is disappointing. But hey, I paid $122 for this. $122. So, next video is going to be putting the wire in, setting it up, and actually me trying at welding. I'm going to show you. I've used this one, and that is from Harbor Freight, I think. I'm not sure. That's Adams. But these are what I did back in 2023. And I really wanted to learn welding. You won't hire me if I did this. Honestly. You know, something I really want to learn. So that's the reason I bought this. The other one I sold was 2 or 3 times heavy. I have a bottle at home already. Like I said, I really want to learn welding. I've had that bottle since Texas. I brought it to Florida with me. So one day I will be doing great things with a welder. All right, it's right there. See it? So, let me call Adam out here, show it off, see what he thinks. Adam! Got this. Gas line.
That's interesting, huh?
What the hell is this? Is that for...
It might be on that.
Oh, down there? Yeah.
There's instructions for a reason. But we never don't use it.
Yeah, we went. We don't.
There's the ground.
Yeah. And arch came. Yes, sir.
Alright, I got 60-18 rounds.
So I gotta bring that roller wire I got at home. Set this up tomorrow. See what she do. Oh, you want me to clock out before I use it? I ain't that bad, man. Hey, this table's still standing though. It's still standing.
Yeah, but I'm saying when you plug it in for the first time.
Oh. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna run an extension cord from Waffle House over here, and then we plug it in. If it trips their shit, it's fine. Bruh.
I do like how it's got the 220 adapter plug.
I know.
Right on it. Okay. Yeah.
Hell yeah. So you know what I'm gonna be doing when I'm busy, right? This truck deliveries with metal, just there's nothing wrong with it. Oh, trust me, every day I will buy a case of wire and tips. And lift it up. It ain't heavy. Compared to this one,
Yeah.
lift that one up. Yeah. And this does make tick and stick. There you have it. Thank you for watching 8. Y'all do me a favor, man. I know my videos are sporadic, and you know, I'll take a month or 2 break before I upload the next one. But if y'all could please hit that thumbs up, help me get in the algorithm, and we get out there. So you got this. Next one up will be me actually testing it out, and then we get back to the car stuff, actual car stuff. Part sitting for the 240 like 2 months. It been hot outside though. It's been screeching, screaming hot. Like We're gonna find out how hot it is. Hey, Adam, for the video, can you tell them how hot it's been the past 2 months? What? He said if he's like back in 1941. I don't know that reference, but y'all go look it up. Appreciate y'all watching though.